In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to your Credit Karma account. Now, first things first, it's important to note that this process is only going to work for the Credit Karma money spend and save accounts. So this is separate from the regular just default Credit Karma account that you usually make. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you actually have a Credit Karma money spend or save account in order for this to work. And they're typically going to be in the same login, except they're just two different services. So make sure you create your Credit Karma money spend or save, which you can go ahead and just click over here and you're able to go ahead and create the account. So as you're able to tell, we're able to get all these cool perks over here, and just make sure you read the information and stuff like that. There's no monthly fees, and there's fee-free ATM access, early direct deposit, and overdraft coverage. So there's a lot of great options from there. So then you need to go ahead and tap either move money, deposit, save, or spend. And then next, you'll see a screen that says Credit Karma uses Plaid to link your bank accounts, and Plaid is a service that basically connects your bank to the application. So what you would need to do after that is you would need to go ahead and look for your bank. So whether you're in Citibank, Bank of America, you need to go ahead and search for it. Typically, it is going to be an option on Plaid. And then you would need to log in with your banking username and password. And then from there, choose which account you would like to connect if you have multiple accounts at your banking service. And then from there, you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.